Hey, how's it going? Let's see. Today, I'm going to show you how to bring your beloved ATV plastic from this fadedness, like this, to a shine again, like so. Now this method doesn't bring it back 100%, not much will, but this certainly does make a huge difference between the two. Brings the color back, and it brings a pretty good amount of shine back. Tools you're going to need for it, like this evening I'm going to do this fender for you. Rag, some cleaner to clean it off, a heat gun, and a nice soft towel. This heat gun was, I think, 15 or 20 bucks at Harbor Freight, and it works pretty stinking good. And these four-wheelers sat under a tree for who knows how long. So let's see what I can do. I gotta find some cleaner in here somewhere. Let me do that real quick. Alright, we're back. Got a little bit of cleaner. Simple as damp the area down you're getting ready to work on. Make sure you don't get it all over the electrical appliances. Take a clean rag. I mean, you don't have to do this step. You could, wash it, but as you can see, this four-wheeler isn't going anywhere. Not exactly going to wash it, am I? Yucky. I bought these four-wheelers used. I believe they sat under a tree for at least a year, maybe two. Alrighty, done with that. We'll get rag ready. Start warming up the heat gun. Got all of that up already. Alright. Make sure you can see what I'm seeing. Yep. Just go through. Start heating it so it changes color and starts getting a little shine to it. Takes a minute. See how it's starting to change color right here? You don't keep it in one spot or a minute. So now how it's changing. make sure while it's still hot that you go ahead and wipe it down with that cloth. Make sure you got a couple layers because that plastic's got some heat to it. But you can see how that heat brought the color back, and then you wiping it down, it removes this oxidation off the top of it. That made a big difference. So that is how you restore ATV plastics. A hint I can give you is instead of leaving it on the bike like this, you do like I did this one, and you pull all the plastics off, clean them all, and then you can do a decent job like this. Like this is the fuel tank cover off of that bike. So it looks pretty good compared to the way it used to look. We'll do the other side in a little while, and then I'll start working on the fenders for that one. I hope this video was informative and it makes good use for your bike. I know this method works on greens, blues, blacks, you know, those different colors. It works on the foot panels. It works on like these covers up here. It'll work on a gas cap. Remove it from the gas tank. Make sure there's no gas on it. That would be very unwise. And that's really about it. I don't know if it works on red. Usually once they turn pink, it's a bit too late. You need to paint it. But that's about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you would, please like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully I'll have more videos for you that you'll like. Have a nice day.